Hello, readers, and thank you for joining me for another spelling lesson. Today we are in SAVVAS MyView Literacy Unit 4, Lesson 3, and our skill this week is Latin suffixes. And suffixes, of course, go at the end of a word. And we're looking particularly this week at the suffixes able, able, or ation. And each of those mean a different thing. Of course, this is for third grade. If your story this week is Milton Hershey, makes you want some chocolate, I know, that is, you're in the right place. So let's look at what these suffixes are. When do we use them? How do we use them? So these Latin suffixes change the part of speech. Now think about the parts of speech. We have nouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs. These actually change the part of speech. So able and able change a verb into an adjective. Now, when do I use which when I'm writing? Well, if the root word, if the base word is a word all by itself, we typically use able. If the root word really cannot stand on its own, can't be a word all by itself, we typically add IBLE. And that's usually how we know which one to spell because they sound almost the same or pretty much the same. Ation turns a verb into a noun. Ation. Able and able turn a verb to an adjective. Ation turns a verb into a noun. And it means the state or condition of. Now, we're going to still go through our same process. We're going to say the word, map the sound, spell the word, write the word, and then we're going to circle that Latin suffix. And here's a good example, creation. We add ation to turn a verb into a noun. So the verb would be create. If you create something, you make it. A creation is what is made. I've turned that verb into a noun. And that's how these words work. So that's how we know what to build. So our first word today is anticipation. Say anticipation. A lot of sounding out. Ready? You're going to use all of our fingers today. I actually needed more than I had. Anticipation. Say the word one more time. Let's spell it. ANTICIPATION. Anticipation. And let's write it. And I'm going to try to fit these on my board too, but these are some big words this week. So I will fit all that I can. Our first word, anticipation. Let's write it. ANTICIPATION. And the Latin suffix on that is ation. So we're going to circle that whole thing. Very good. Our next word is civilization. Say civilization. Root word is civilize. Map the sounds. Again, we're going to need all of our hands and fingers for this one. S, I, V, I, il, I, z, a, sh, n. Civilization. Spell it. CIVILIZATION. Civilization. And let's write it. CIVILIZATION. And the Latin suffix again is ation. And I see at the top of my screen it says irregular plural nouns. I'm not sure why it says that. We are doing Latin suffixes. All right, our next one is, and we did circulation already, convertible. Say convertible. Map the sounds. K, n, v, t, I, b, o. Convertible. You may have seen a convertible car. Spell it. CONVERTIBLE. Convertible. and we write it. Convertible. Convertible. It's able to be converted. It can be changed. Of course, I didn't circle mine. Let me circle it. IVLE. Our next word is dependable. Say dependable. Map the sounds. D, E, P, I, N, D, A, B, O. Dependable. Spell it. D, E, P, E, N, D, A, B, L, E. Dependable. And let's write it. D, E, P, E, N, D, A, B, L, E. Something that's dependable, of course, is trustworthy. You can count on it. And let's circle that Latin suffix, A-B-L-E. Our next word is flexible. Say flexible. Map the sounds. F, O, X, I, B, O. Flexible. And let's spell it. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E. Flexible. And let's write it. F-L-E-X-I-B-L-E. And what's our Latin suffix? I-B-L-E. That's right. Let's give it a circle. Our next word is likable. Say likable. Sound it out. L-I-K-A-B-O. Likable. If something is likable, it's easy to like. Let's spell it. L-I-K-A-B-L-E. Likable. A person who's likable is someone who's a nice person. Let's write it. L-I-K-A-B-L-E. And what's our Latin suffix? Able. That's right. Our next word is movable. Say movable. Sound it out. U-V-A-B-O. Movable. And let's spell it. M-O-V-A-B-L-E. Movable. And let's write it. If something is movable, it's able to be moved. I think I can fit that word here. M-O-V-A-B-L-E. And what's our Latin suffix? A-B-L-E. That's right. It's able to be moved. I can pick it up like a desk or a chair. Our next word is terrible. Say terrible. It's an awful word, isn't it? It's just terrible. Map the sounds. T-E-R-I-B-O. Terrible. And let's spell it. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible. And let's write it. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. And what's our Latin suffix? I-B-L-E. That's right. Circle it. And our next word is usable. Say usable. Map the sounds. U-S-A-B-O. Usable. Spell it. U-S-A-B-L-E. usable. If a chair is not broken, it's usable. Let's write it. U-S-A-V-L-E. And what's our Latin suffix? Able, that's right. Doing great so far. Our next word is visible. Say visible. Map the sounds. V, is, I, b, ol. Visible. Spell it. V-I-S-I-B-L-E. Visible. If something is visible, it means you can see it. It's not invisible. I guess that prefix in means not. Visible. V-I-S-I-B-L-E. And what is the Latin suffix? I-B-L-E, that's right. I'm running out of space on my paper. Next, we're down to our high frequency words, the two words they add for us to know. The first word is language. Say language. Map the sounds. L, A, N, G, W, W, J. Language. It's a weird sound in the middle, isn't it? Spell it. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. Language. And let's write it. I'll have to use the back of my board. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E. Of course, that does not have a Latin suffix, so we'll go to the last word, clear. Say clear. Map the sounds. K, L, E, R. Clear. Spell it. C-L-E-A-R. Clear. And let's write it. If something is clear, you can see straight through it. It would not be visible, like our other word. Thank you for making it clear to the end, all the way to the end of our video. I appreciate you staying with me till the end. Until next time, happy reading.